Hi there, we want to talk about Captiva, an idea to save the water. But first, we want to talk about the water issue. Although water is a renewable resource, the use that we have given it so far now is limited. Today, there are many countries with less water than they need. According to World Health Organization, one of each three people around the world don't have the water to meet their basic needs. So, because the climate change and scarcity of water, we have to use the rainwater to generate saving of both vital and economic resource for homes. One way to achieve this is recycle rainwater for domestic uses, because since every liter is an important aid for future generations. A large amount of water comes from clouds. In fact, Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations says that the annual precipitation on land is almost 110,000 cubic kilometers, which 56% is evapotranspired by natural landscapes, 50% by rain-fed agriculture, and that means that 39% is available for use by people. So we want to talk and show you an idea to use the rainwater by changing the world in a positive way.
Initially, the creation of a specialized company that installs two tanks with a capacity of 1,400 liters outside the house or of the roof. In residential homes is proposed. Its operation is simple because when it rains, the roof water moves through the gutters, is filtered and stored in the tank. These tanks will have adaptation through a system of pipes with sedimentation filter, one from the shower and the washing machine and the other from the bathroom. The system presents sensor, which give priority to the water collected when it detects that the tank has been filled. If the tank is exhausted, the system turns on supply control that automatically connects into the water in the network and can also make the water drinkable with a filter or a purifier, allowing the water to be used for consumption for personal use.
The washing machine is used twice a week, with an expenditure of 100 liters and in amount of 400 liters. The other 1,000 liters are consumed in the shower. The toilet spends 10 liters per day and an average of 5 per day. In a family group of 4 people, it is spent up to 50 liters per day, 350 liters per week, and 1,400 liters per month. Therefore, the water consumption on average per day in a house and per person is 150 liters per day between what goes to the bathroom, the washing machine, general cleaning, or irrigation, which means that we could use water to all this without problem. Its main advantage is that it will save an important expense in the water bill, since the water will be used free of charge and in a redundant way. It will take advantage of the resource offered by the planet. These water harvesting systems, like other systems such as the production of electricity and heat through wind or solar energy, are some of the pillars of which self-sufficiency is based, and therefore ideas that could be very useful in the less favored areas or with less access to resources such as water or electricity.
The World Economic Forum estimates that by 2030 there will be a 40% higher demand of water, and the planet will not be able to support it. That will be affect the agriculture and the food prices. So it's important to reflect on water saving and the consequences for the inhabitants that the planet will have.
The use of this water collection system is a way to be respectful of the environment and to teach others the importance of saving water. If we join practices such as closing taps, avoiding leaks, etc., we will make sure that we are doing everything possible to avoid wasting water, a very valuable asset that coming us all.